Yo, my name's Zoo. We out here in Boothwyn, Pennsylvania, outside the Sports Extreme, about to compete in the Purple Belt Super Heavyweight Division and the Absolute Division. Hope to come home victorious with 2 medals or 2 trophies. It doesn't really matter. I'm about to go inside and serve some humble pie. Let's go.
Think it's a game, better not be playing, man, when I come around. Better stay in your lane, boy, you get out of line, I'm laying you down. I be
riding with my banana clip.
AK-47 trick.
Riding with my banana clip.
AK-47 bitch.
Riding with my banana clip.
AK-47 trick.
Riding with my banana clip.
AK-47 bitch. The shit I be on, got my money long. Bet I keep it gangster till I'm dead and I'm gone. I got this shit sewn, boy I do you wrong. Hit you with the chrome upside your hips but you don't. Don't talk on the phone, nigga, don't talk on the phone. The feds I had my black ass in jail so long, man. It's 50 to dawn. My flow be the bomb. It's weed in the bong, bringing the hoes in the zone. It's more than a song, my word is my bone. The kids in the back seat, nigga, I'm on. I'm cool and I'm calm, I'm so full of charm. The bitches love a nigga, oh you mad, huh, nigga? You won't get it on, we can get it on. The shots will get blown, nigga, your mama a moan. That's when you gone, and burn up your bones. And make a little shrine for your ass in the home. I be
riding with my banana clip.
AK-47 trick.
Riding with my banana clip.
AK-47 bitch.
Riding with my banana clip.
AK-47 trick.
Riding with my banana clip.
AK-47 bitch.
I just got done my super heavyweight Purple Belt Division. Went against 2 people, 1 guy from Alliance and 1 guy from Balance, Josh Gaffney, tough competitor. I did what I had to do, came out with a trophy. About to go back in and do the Absolute. I'll at you in a second.
What's up, man? I sleep when I'm dead.
Album out now.
Word up. Shit is crazy. I get enough sleep when I'm dead. Nightmare. All the time. I wake up, I look up, shook up, say fuck, put my hands on my 9. Niggas I cut, always stuck, and they move so we buck. They come back in my dreams at 9. I swear, Last night I had a vision of my dead friends in my sleep. They showed me things I ain't really wanna see. They showed me flashbacks of murder scenes, bodies bubbling in acid tubs with their feet, head, and hands cut off. Oh shit, I had woke up bugging, sweating bullets, checking for my gun. I need to stop smoking that hazy, son. I know I ain't crazy, I go outside for some fresh air, maybe it's 3 o'clock in the night, the block is on fire. Took my nigga bottle for a swig of the fire. He told me, just that seen the bitch ass nigga. Must be God that's keeping me from seeing this nigga. Crawl on me and creep on me, cause they know better than to let me see him in front of me. Outside the car, away from the police, I turn them into dreams, demons in my sleep. Every night, fuck all you niggas. I wake up, I look up, shook up, say fuck, put my hands on my 9. Niggas I cut, always stuck, and they move so we buck. They come back in my dreams at 9. Every time I go to sleep, it's like I stroll down memory lane and see the dirt I done before I acquired the fame. If you could see see what I see. You see me popping a chain, or you see me scrapping, I pull out and pop off that thing. I'm usually hustling, bubbling, slinging that cane. No matter the weather, it's sun, snow, sleet, or it's rain. See, fiends got a habit, it hurts so they feet in their vein. And I got a habit of having grams of it, man. I'm chasing the paper, it's simple, I'm bout my bread. I cop it and pop it to white tea or turn red. See, niggas that know me, who owe me, they see me, they run. They know if I catch them, I cut them or feed them my gun. It's real in the field, nigga, front, get your cat bill. With that Nina, that tech, that ooh-wop, or that Mac meal. Unload and reload, I live by the streets code. And pray the Lord have mercy on my soul. I wake up, I look up, shook up, say fuck, put my hands on my nine. Niggas I cut, always stuck, and they move so we buck. They come back in my dreams at night.
50 Cent. Still the radio. 21.
Keep having these dreams, I think I'm just losing my brain. I wake up in sweats, my girl think I'm sniffing that cane. I try to remember, but none of them ever the same. I dream of my brother, and ever since he passed away, he talked to me in him, can't hear nothing he's saying. Fuck it, go along with it, just be happy the same. I think that nigga trying to tell me something, no. When I see him, forget to ask, but fuck it, I wanna know. Probably trying to tell me, your gun, it better blow. When you in them streets, handle that, don't react slow. Cause niggas in this rap game think shit sweet. Get disrespectful like I won't push me. Shit be popping off in my dream, but then I get caught. Is he trying to tell me send my soldiers, cause you a boss? Niggas wanna see me down, I ain't afraid of getting poked. Damn if I ever go broke.
Angel.
I have nightmares.
Like the barber.
I wake up, I look up, shook up, say fuck, put my hands on my nine.
Fuck you, like.
Niggas I cut, always stuck, and they move so we buck. They come back in my dreams at night. I had nightmares.
Nice. Mike Thompson's good, man. Looks good, man.
Nah, he is good, man.
Yeah. Good job, baby.
Hey, what's up? I just got done Absolute Division. There were some tough guys in there. Faced a tough guy from Ocean City Jiu-Jitsu. The guy was pretty good. Went through 4 matches in the Absolute Division. Pulled it out. Going home with 2 trophies, like I said I was. I don't know. Can't wait to the next tourney. I'm out. I'm spent. Time to go see the MMA fights tonight. Holla.